Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a video for you today, and this is cute stuff. Just wait until you see it. Thank you, FGOBY, for sending me this. FGOBY. Yeah, that's right, FGOBY. For sending this to me, let me pick out some wonderful, cute things I'm excited about. I can hardly wait to show you. So let's get started. All right, let's get started. All right, so here's the first one. Look at this, you guys. They're bagged drills. I am so excited by that. They're all in order, Look at the colors. Oh my goodness. Hello pink. We got a little bit of gray, a little bit of brown, but most of it is pink, 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 pink. Look at all the pinks. A little bit of teal, a little bit of off-white colors, because look at our painting. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I found this. I fell in love with this. It has 24 colors. Our plastic is kind of messed up here. Let's see if I can get it to, it's stuck on here like, ugh. Sometimes I think, I don't know what happens here. They put this plastic on too soon or something. I don't know. That's what people have said. I have no idea. I'm not at the factory. I don't know what happens. But I found this picture. Oh my goodness. Okay, there. Once I get it off once, I think it's okay. But I fell in love with this. Why? Because it is like old-timey Santa. I love this. It's very classic. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? And it's all pink. It's pink. Look at Santa, his pink hat. He says, ho, ho, ho. He's got pink flowers, pink poinsettias. I just fell in love with this. Fell in love. Okay, look at the drill field. Look at it. Nice, 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 nice. I love it. You guys, he's so pretty. Okay, this will be one I definitely want to do for next year. This is my style. Totally. I just love it. What else can I say about it? I adore it. And look at the colors. Pink, pink, pink. All the DMC codes are here. It is all letters on the canvas. I can't be any happier with that. I have been so excited for this one to get here. And there it is. I mean, it's after Christmas now, but hey, who cares? This might be something I could actually just work on when I feel like it, because it's in bags. I just work out of the bags, put them back in here. You know what I'm saying? Isn't he cute? I just love him. What more can I say? I love him. Okay, let's move on to the next painting. They all came with the toolkit. I saved one to show you, okay? Again, pre-bagged. Look at those colors. Look at pink, gray, purple, purple, gray, yellow. Look at those. This one has 20 colors. Look at the legend on this thing on both sides. Woo, big, large legend. DMC codes again. This has a couple of numbers, one symbol, and the rest. Oh, no, there's more numbers down here. So it's letters, numbers, and one symbol. But look at it. Look at it. Live life in full bloom. Yes. Yes. This is my life, right? This is my life. Look at her. Well, I think it's a her. I don't know. No, it's a he. He's got a mustache. Never mind. It looks like a girl, though. It looks like it has a dress on. I don't know. You tell me. No clue. All I know is it's super cute. This gnome on this shiplap background. Oh, we'll look at that in a second. All the flowers, the pot of flowers. Super, super cute. I love it. Again, I love the pre-bag drills. These are both round. All right. Makes it so that I could just pull these out and work on them. This one I might really work on because, spring is coming. I mean, okay, we just had winter solstice, but you know, spring is coming. But look at the background. Okay. Yeah, confetti, 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 right? It's going to make it really cool, though. It's going to make it look wood, you know, like the wood planks, like shiplap. There's a little tiny bit of multi-placing here and there. The whole background, though, right? His hat is 1, 2, 3, or 4 colors. Oh my gosh, it's too cute. And the letters, it's in kind of a sort of cursive font. You know, they're definitely not just a big block letter, but look how clear it is. Live life in full bloom. Love it. It's going to be so easy to read. Isn't it cute? Super cute. Love this one. Just love it. They're both 30 by 40s. They're good and sticky. Boot full of flowers. I need some rain boots. Anybody have some old rain boots they're not using? Send them my way. I can make some boot floral arrangements. All right, let's show you this next. Oh, I love this. Okay. I had to get another one of these. I got one. I did it already. I gave it away as a gift to my daughter. Look, it has a chain. And it's got some sticky stuff. What's it got sticky stuff for? Like little tape. No idea. No idea what the sticky tape is for. But look at her. Look at her. Isn't she cute? Oh my gosh, it's one of my owl girls. You guys know how I love these owls, right? And look at how thick it is, right? Do you know what that means? You know what that means, right? I learned. Come on. I love it. I had to show my daughter how to do it, and because she got stitched. Come on. Here she goes. Isn't it cute? It is so adorable. I just love it. Oh my gosh. This one's mine. All mine. Okay, she got stitched. This one's mine. Like I said, they have a bunch of designs, you guys. They're so cute. I can't stop. I just love it. I love it so much. All right, let's look at her drills because, you know, she's all specials and rhinestones and fun stuff. Don't you love these? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm just a kid at heart. What can I say? I'm a kid at heart. Okay, here's our colors. Well, that's an amber color, a blue, a pink, a clear, a pink, black. We have a little black in her eyes. Then we have these cute little marquee iridescent. We have some cut faceted round orange. We have some teardrops. We have some larger teardrops. And we have some hearts because look at, she gets a heart on her belly. Did I tell you she's double-sided? So a heart here and a heart here. Look at, oh my gosh. She's cute. I'm going to do this one up like pretty quickly because I want her. I want her in my life, right? Okay, one more. Are you ready for this one? Ah, this is so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at it. It's a butterfly just on some flowers. And it is bubble round, okay? The whole background is bubble round. And I think maybe some here might be, I don't know. We'll have to check it out. But it's just, here's the picture, the thumbnail. It's just a gorgeous butterfly. What color's the background? Any idea? I don't have a clue yet. This has 15 different shapes and colors and sizes of drills and pretty things. Just, it's so pretty. I love it. This canvas is like really thick, you know, canvasy material. But look at it. Oh my gosh. Let's look at the drills. Okay, I know what color the background is. I just saw the drills. It's going to make the butterfly pop right off the background. Okay. Here we go. All right, where do you want to start? I don't know, it doesn't matter. Let's start here. We have a few beautiful orangish red marquee, some pearls. We have some cut AB faceted rounds. Here is our background. It is this beautiful blue. 1, 2, 3 bags of the small blue. That's pretty typical. For a 30 by 40 bubble painting like this, when you're doing the background, there's usually about 3 bags of the small. We have 2 bags of the medium. Aren't they pretty? Look at those. Can you see them? Can you see them? And then a bag of the large in the same blue. Love it. Okay, we have some of the orange, claw looking iridescent. We have a little bit of black. Okay. A green, a gold, a clear, that's beautiful. A teal, that's so pretty. A purple, an orange, and another purple. That's going to be gorgeous. This monarch butterfly on the flowers. It will be so pretty. So, so pretty. So I'm super excited about all of these. I like all of these. Smashing the Specials is coming in February. I could save this one for that. I love my gnome. I might work on my gnome. I think I'm going to have to work on the gnome. The Christmas guy, he's so pretty, but he might wait just a little while. But what do you think? Isn't it great stuff? You guys, check out FGOBY. They have wonderful things. And they're so nice. Everything's just nice. It was all packaged nicely. And yeah, I love it. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you have a great day. This will be in the new year of 2022. We're starting off with a bang. Kaboom. Right? All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you stick around. If you just came across this video on accident, I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you subscribe and you come back and you see more videos. I'll link all these below so that you can go check them out because, I mean, who doesn't want her? Seriously, who doesn't want her? Just one more time. One more. Come on. There she goes. All right. Have a great New Year, you guys, and I hope to be seeing you like all year long doing fun stuff. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.